Hey guys, Daniel the Adjuster here, and thank you so much for joining me on another mission to help you become the best adjuster. So we're going to talk about the differences between being a staff adjuster versus an independent adjuster. Getting lots of questions about it, so I thought I would hit you guys up with another video explaining the benefits and the disadvantages. There are 5 of those. So let's get started. Number 1, flexibility and autonomy. You have the ability to make your own schedule, your own hours, and set your own priorities for what you want to get done when you are an independent adjuster. So think about it. You're making your schedule, you're planning your day, you're deciding when you want days off, when you want to work, and you get to decide that. As a staff adjuster, you are limited to that schedule. They tell you when to come in, they tell you when you can leave, they tell you a lot of times when you can take lunch, and there's very little flexibility. It creates a perfect work-life balance to be an independent adjuster. Remember, family is important. We want to make them the priority. And if work overtakes the ability for you to take care of your family, then it's not good. So the independent route definitely has advantages towards the flexibility of your schedule to accompany the things that you want to get done. Now, if you're curious about what a day in the life looks like for an adjuster, I've got a video link right in the description, and it'll pop right up somewhere there that will tell you guys what it's like in a day of the life of an adjuster. So watch that video. So number 2, you have diverse work opportunities. As an independent adjuster, you can work for many different firms and you can do many different types of insurance. You can work for insurance companies, you can be a third-party administrator, and you can also do contract work for insurance companies. These are all great opportunities for you to do individual work based on your interests, and the sky is the limit. As a staff adjuster, you're going to have a job for one specific role, and a lot of times we'll do that for a very long time. It can be drawn out, and your opportunity for change may not happen if you become really good at what you're doing. They may say, hey, we really like where you are. I think we'll leave you where you are, and you miss opportunities for advancement. If you're looking for opportunities to find work as an independent adjuster, check out the link here, and it will show you a great website that I go to all the time, catadjuster.org, in order to find work for adjusting firms. Number 3, potential for higher income. I say potential because it all depends on how hard you work as an independent adjuster. But the money system is different. As a staff adjuster, you're going to be working hourly for the same amount of time every day and the same amount of money. Most of the time, very little overtime is paid. You won't have that opportunity. But as an independent adjuster, we're paid on a fee schedule, which means for each claim that I get done, and depending on how bad the damage is and how big the estimate that I write, I will get paid a fee to do that service. Now, I can choose to do 1 per day, 5 per day, all depending on how much work there is, but I get to do as much as I want to do. If I want to work a 12-hour day that day, great, work it. If you only want to work a 3-hour day, work it. But I have the ability to make whatever I want based on how many hours I work. Also, check out my link in the description for how an adjuster, independent, can make potentially $15,000 per month as an adjuster. Now, always opportunities to make more, always opportunities to make less. Number 4, entrepreneurship and business ownership. This is the big plus. For you to be your own boss, to be the owner of your own company, it creates a great feeling of success. You get to make your own decisions. You get to decide how much you work, how big you want your company to grow. And you could solicit some of your own work if you became a producer and go out and locally find work in the area. Great opportunity to grow your business into something really great. As a staff adjuster, you can't grow your business. You're typically at the mercy of your boss or at the mercy of what they have in store for you. There's really not a whole lot of change and not a lot of opportunity for growth. It takes a long time. Now, if you're curious on how to become an adjuster, please click the link in my description and this video, and you will be able to find out how to become an independent adjuster. Number 5, diverse skill development. You will learn multiple skills as an independent adjuster on how to handle water losses, fire losses, wind and hail, vandalism, theft, burglary. There's all sorts of things, drive-by shootings, believe it or not. So all sorts of crazy claims that come up, you're going to get exposed to a lot of them all at once. So as a staff adjuster, you may only be handling claim assessment and potentially processing of those claims. A very limited skill set. You're not getting exposed to a ton of different claims. What they do is optimize you. Find out where the skill is that you're good at and put you there and optimize you so that you can do that very well. So a great opportunity for you to broaden your skills, develop your resume, and become more rounded as an insurance adjuster is to become an independent adjuster. So make sure that you subscribe to my videos. I think anyone can learn a lot from these videos on how to become an adjuster, how to be successful as an adjuster, and the pros and cons of being an adjuster. So this is Daniel the Adjuster. I'm thankful for you guys to join me. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.